Hello dear friends! In this video, you'll get to know the most comprehensive bundle of drawing courses. If you want to learn drawing techniques in a completely basic way, from beginner to advanced, this bundle is for you. In this valuable bundle, you'll have access to more than 30 training courses and more than 240 hours of drawing tutorial videos in different styles. In fact, everything you need to become a professional in drawing is in this bundle. The courses in this bundle are in different styles of drawing, including beginner to advanced black pencil and colored pencil drawing courses, beginner to advanced drawing courses of pen and colored ballpoint pen, beginner to advanced conte and charcoal courses, beginner to advanced portrait drawing courses in different styles, and beginner to advanced animal drawing courses. And even a drawing course specific to children. This bundle is very useful for all drawing enthusiasts at any level. Don't miss the opportunity and buy this valuable drawing bundle at an exceptional price.